to determine the principal and agent relationship, don't conclude with legal ownership. Don't conclude with physical possession. Look at the risk and reward.
When individual assertions are preform material misstatement, overall financial statement also will be what? Preform material misstatement.
In first 5 years, we assume that. First 1 to 5th year, debt is 51%, equity is 49%. That is our assumption. We have put an assumption.
That's not employment income. That is his business income. That is his business income. It seems that it's an adventure in the nature of a trade.
You can buy coke from there. That's the best place to buy coke. So then the manufacturer has to make the product available to the customer.
Cement packets for your project, but until he is constructing the building, he can't say it is directly attributable. Why? He can use it for another project. So that is why when you are finding the contract cost normally unused material you reduce. When you find the contract cost, next one, how? The second, how to capitalize. So we will go to the standard and we'll read. We'll go to the tutor and we'll read how to capitalize. So very easy actually, very small theory parts. Where funds are taken out specifically to finance obtaining the development of qualifying asset, the amount to sell, to get ready for that, it will take substantial period of time. So this is example student, this is what? A production of a qualifying asset. Production of a qualifying asset. So three things which is described in here. So qualifying asset means either acquisition, either construction, and a production of a qualifying asset.
The inherent risk factors which can create material misstatement in the financial statement. Identify that. Then have the controls. Controls. If you have proper controls, then you can minimize it. By doing so, management can make sure that they can reduce the risk of material misstatement also. And risk of material misstatement at the assertion level. So management need to use these assertions, loss of transaction, account balances, these 12 assertions to assess this and minimize and put the controls. So this is what actually your learning outcome is.
About the equity portion, equity is going to be 100%. Why? Because debt will be paid, the total debt will be paid. So equity is 100% and debt is 0%. Debt would be 0%. So now you don't need to calculate the debt, but you need to calculate the equity. So in this case, cost of equity equals to what? Cost of equity equals to WACC. Why? Because no debt is there in the company. So what is the beta? What should be the beta factor in this situation? Do you need to calculate again? No. Why? Because you already calculate something called ungearing. Ungearing means what? Equity 100% company. Ungeared company means you don't have debt here. So whatever the beta you got here would be called as what? That is the beta of this company after 5th year. You compare the current market value of the group. So current market value of the group including JV means only the 60% portion of the JV and without JV. So you got this 1778 value. That is what? That is only the 60% value of the JV. So make sure the total book value of the JV is this.
Before 1st of January 2020 was before 1st of January 2020 was substantial participation should have been from a Sri Lankan company. It has to be a Sri Lankan company, not an individual. If the Singaporean company had 25% or more of the shareholding of the Sri Lankan company, then the rate to be applied is 7.5. This is the dividend tax or the withholding tax rate. What we call it? We call it dividend tax, or we call it.
On a hilltop in Italy, we assemble young people from all over the world to bring you this message from Coca-Cola bottles all over the world. It's the real thing. Coke. This was an advertisement done in the 1970s, if I'm not mistaken. Did they put the year? Yeah? No, neither. It's a nice song. La 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 la. So now, this is an advertisement in the 1970s, and this is an advertisement of Coke. I think it was in the 2017 or something like that. So let's take a look at that. A modern version of a Coke advertisement.